Hey, I'm Ethan.
And I'm Gage.
And this is our ramp man. He will be changing the ramps. He's very embarrassed. His name is Ryan. Now, get ready for this. Come put it lower. Don't put it right. Come put it lower. Come put it lower. The ramp lower.
Why don't we start with it lower?
This is our low solid.
Yeehaw!
This is our low solid ramp. Ready? This is a $300 car. It goes 45 FPS. Oops.
Hey Ethan, why don't you just show him when it goes around a little bit? Why don't you just drive it around a little bit?
Here we go. One
Ramp
time.
man!
Now, ramp man needs to make a ramp higher. Ramp man.
Oh, that's a nugget.
Ramp man.
Don't put that on YouTube.
Okay. Come on now.
Oh, my back.
Hi, ramp.
Come on, old man.
Take a minute to think about this, guys. Do you really think that it'll jump this? Do you really think it will jump this? Do you think the car will jump that? It's a race car. It's not a monster truck. Do you really think it'll jump it? Oops, we have a crash landing. See, look, this is what I love about this car. It's still flying.
Dude, if that thing could go 70, that would easily jump Katie's car.
That sometimes happens. We have lost the clip, but we're good. Okay. Oops.
Holy crap, that's the nuggets.
Yeah, we just love playing around with this car.
Yeah,
I'll
we
shoot
do.
up on that one. Ready? I want to see it sort of stay in place if I can.
Ethan, how mad would you be?
Oops. Okay.
Yeah, we might need to redo this video.
All good. Okay, ready? And one more time. I'm trying to get it stuck up there. And you haven't done something I'm trying to do is get it stuck.
Get him more. Good.
Okay, it didn't stick.
Jump it.
You really want to see it jump?
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to wheel it. Well, I
Oh.
missed that one.
Hey, Brian, why don't you get down there and let the RC car jump over you?
Oh no.
Yeah!
Yeah, cameraman, get down there. Cameraman, get down there, you big wuss.
Yeah, cameraman.
Want to see some dirt?
Oh crap.
See some dirt?
Change that. Go up there, Brian. Brian, go up there. Lay down, Brian.
You all love to see that?
You shut up. Come on, Brian, let it jump you.
Oopsie! I really need a new tail fender. This thing is all messed up.
Come on, Brian. Why don't you lay down there and let it jump you with some speed?
Man, move.
Ramp man, get down there on the ground.
What did you do?
Hey, Ethan. Don't you think Ramp Man over there should lay down and let the RC car jump him?
Dude, off that thing.
Freaking fast. Oh!
We had a flat flip. Hold on 1 minute, guys. Tires falling off. Traxxas. I love the Traxxas brand. It is awesome. I got this from Hobbytown. Go Traxxas.
I did!
Okay, how'd y'all like that? Okay, now
We gotta go charge the battery.
no, we have street racing. Not really racing anybody, but
Ethan!